Welcome. I bet many of you are a bit worried about drawing in AutoCAD since it may have been a while. Or you may have used another program before. That's okay. If you can make the drawing meet industry standards in another program, that is fine. But for now, I'll give you a refresher. We'll use AutoCAD to draw property lines using coordinates from a survey record sheet. Here, look at my screen. Remember that you have to tell AutoCAD what units you are using. We'll use decimal feet, and we'll use surveyor's units even though they are not needed yet. Now, the view on the screen needs to be adjusted to the right size. Draw a line that is about the length of the largest property line segment. Remember that we are in decimal feet, so you do not need the foot or inch symbol. To zoom the view out enough for the drawing, type the Zoom All command. Or you can double-click the mouse wheel. Next, you will see that the corners are input using the Draw command for coordinates. You will draw lines from the T1 positions of 0, 0 to each point on the survey record. In this case, an image clip of the survey record has been copied into the drawing for reference. You can use many methods to draw these lines. In this demonstration, the dynamic input function is on. The coordinates are input to the boxes on the screen. Watch the demo and then decide on your favorite technique to do this operation. Now, the property lines go on the C-prop layer. Don't worry if the line type does not show up at this scale. The survey lines can be put on the construction layer. Then turn that layer off. You can also move the data inside of the property boundary. The next step is to present the property lines on a sheet. Import a title block onto a layout and then create a viewport using the depth points layer. Your property line type scale should automatically adjust to look right. Activate the model mode to adjust the scale to an appropriate setting. Here you see one method of adding the appropriate annotations. The property lines are given a distance and a direction and they are written in text at 1/8 to 3/16 tall in paper space. You can figure the lengths and direction from your survey data, or you can use the distance command to find it out. There are more annotations that are needed for a complete industry standard drawings. But this will do to start. When the layout is complete, it is plotted to a PDF file. Again, there are many ways to do this, but you can watch this example as a refresher. Remember to save your file when you are done. And although not shown here, the best practice is to immediately save your file to a Google Drive, or other cloud storage system. I hope that helps you to create a simple property line drawing. Please know that this demonstration covers only one of the myriad ways that this can be done in AutoCAD and in other excellent drawing programs. Just be careful to make your drawing in what is called a vector drawing program. You will need to be able to get specific data from your file later on, and a pretty picture won't be able to do that. Also, please remember that you can contact Professor Schuster if you need help.